How to install Telegram on PC and laptop. First of all, go and open up a web browser and you need to go and search for Telegram and go to Telegram Messenger or telegram.org. You then need to go and click on apps and you want to go and locate desktop apps and click on Telegram for Windows/Mac, Linux, and you can then click on get Telegram for Windows. It will then go into start downloading and you need to go and wait. After it's finished downloading, you can close off your web browser and open up your downloads in your file explorer, find the setup file and double click on it. Now you need to go and choose the language. I use English, so I can press OK. You can then choose where it's installed. That's fine with me. You can choose where you want the shortcut, so I leave that there, and you can then choose if you want a desktop shortcut, which I will, and we will then click install, and it's now finished. And what you can do is have Telegram launched now, which I want to. It's super quick to set up. Click on start messaging, and then what you can do is log with your phone number or open up the app and go and scan it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.